following video is going to show you how to use text in Photoshop. So to use text, you simply select the text tool. Once you select the text tool, you can hold it down and you can see you can do like vertical text if you need to. We're not going to get into these two mask tools yet, so don't worry about them. But you can do vertical or horizontal. I'm going to stick to horizontal. As soon as I select it, top of the screen, options appear. I have my fonts. Here are all the default fonts, and you can install more if you want to. To install more, you simply have to go into your computer's font file and install the font. You can find them for free online. And you can select, if you want it narrow or bold. Each font kind of has a different option. How big or small do you want the font? Do you want it strong, crisp? Do you want it left, center, or right? And the color. I will say, let's make it bigger. There we go. Now, notice when I have my font, I can select it, and I can still change the color. I can go in and change the color anytime. I can bend it if I would like to using this warp text. Like I can make it arced or arc lower. That's simply right up here. You have to first write text, then you can select it and use this tool. And you can play with each one of these. All right, also, the other key to text is once you create it, notice how it automatically creates a new text layer. Text is separate from your other layers. It's always on its own. Why is that? Because let's say you're reusing an image every month and you want to change like a word or something like that. That way it's very easy to go in, select the layer, and go in and modify the text. And that's it. Thank you.